guys, so today's video is going to be a drugstore everyday makeup tutorial. I wanted to do something that was easy. When it comes to makeup, the biggest things for me personally are having nice lashes, covered skin, all of your acne, blemishes, redness, discoloration, all of that. But then also to be glowy and fresh looking. I'm wearing the Kiss nails right now in Boss Lady. These are the press-on nails. But today what we're going to be talking about are the lashes. So they just came out with a new revamped lash portfolio. All of the lashes that you already know and love that exist in the Kiss line now have new packaging. So it's like they basically got a makeover. First up, the Blooming Lash Collection, which personally is my favorite. They have a nice fullness to them, and that is because they are made with lots of layers. So what they're gonna do is give a nice dimension to your eye. Kiss Look So Natural lashes are a bit like your natural lashes, but just like slightly better. So that's when you really want to go for something natural. They're very lightweight, like it feels like you're not wearing them at all. True Volume lashes I am also a huge fan of because they are made with 100% natural human hair. So you're also going to be getting lots of volume with these and a nice glam look. So really it just kind of depends on what you're going for. All of these lashes are $3.99 to $4.99 per lash, and you can buy them at Ulta, Walgreens, and Walmart. Also, they have the Strip Lash Adhesive that you can apply to the lash, which I'll show you guys how to do in the makeup tutorial. If you like drugstore tutorials or any type of drugstore video, please let me know down in the comments and I'll definitely film more for you guys. Leave a thumbs up if you end up liking this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Starting by prepping the face, this is Covergirl's Base Business Skin Smoothing Primer. It's my current favorite from the drugstore. It's a great dupe for the Smashbox Light Primer. It literally smooths out my skin just the same, keeps my foundation on, and it is incredibly hydrating. I make sure to also put this on my eyelids as well. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Buff Beige. The coverage is absolutely full. I usually do one layer all over and gently press it into the skin using patting motions with my e.l.f. Cosmetics highlighting sponge. If I feel like I have dark spots or any acne flares that I'm, self-conscious of, that's when I'll go in and spot conceal with the foundation. Instead of doing 2 full layers everywhere, you just do a tiny bit wherever you need it after the first layer is down. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Medium. It actually wears very well with this foundation. It's just slightly too yellowish for me. I think light would have matched me best, but I have this one, so I want to use it. After I apply it under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, center of the forehead and chin, I actually go in with a tiny bit of the Catrice Cosmetics Camouflage Concealer in Porcelain, which is like a shade lighter, just to help brighten things up. Jordana Sculpt and Glow Stick in number 2. This is the most perfect contour shade, guys. I actually have yet to find one that is even close to how good this one is. Blends out like a dream. So easy, takes no effort. I just put it under my cheekbones to create a shadow there, along my jawline for definition, sides of the nose, crease of the eyes, outer edges of the forehead, and then I blend it in with my highlighting sponge from e.l.f. This part is totally optional. You don't have to go in with a cream first, but I like to because I feel like it adds more hydration. It also helps the powder stay on longer. With my setting powders, I do the same thing that I did with my concealers. So I have one that's a little yellowish from e.l.f. It's called the Finishing Powder, and I mix it with the highlighter in the Catrice palette to set my under eyes. Also from the Catrice palette, I use this contour shade. Run it through every single area that I applied the Jordana stick to help set that in place and kind of darken things up. This blush is from Pixie Beauty. It's called Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. It's like a beautiful reddish pink. It's not a cream though. I just like to kind of apply it like one with my fingertips and pat it in for a more softer, subtle blush look. As my blush topper today, just something to give an extra glow, I use the Baked Blush in Hummingbird Hype from Wet n Wild. e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzing Powder in St. Lucia. I only used the bronzer here and literally put this all over the outer corners of the face to help warm things up. And this is a highlighter from Catrice Cosmetics that I am absolutely in love with. It really does have a lot of pigmentation to it. No shimmers or anything. So what I do is I just kind of carefully pat this on and then blend it in with my fingertip. Dab a little onto my eyelids and blend it in with my fingertip too. And to set the highlight in place, I use this one from Wet n Wild. But first, I spray my entire face pretty heavily with a setting spray. This is actually the MAC Fix Plus. I don't have a drugstore setting spray, which is pretty crazy. I clearly need to buy one. But I basically drench my face in this, let it dry for maybe like 30 seconds till it's 90% dry, and then I hit my face with that highlighter and it makes it really pop. Time to put on the lashes. Apply the strip lash adhesive to the lash band. I find that it's easiest to do this by putting the lash adhesive on the back of your hand and then just kind of running the lash band through it till it's completely covered. Then what you want to do is wait 30 seconds for it to become tacky and slightly clear. Then that's when you know you can go in and start applying your lashes along your natural lash line. So try and keep it as close as you can to your lashes. I like to press it in the center, then the outer corner, then the inner corner, and make sure to kind of hold it in place till the adhesive is dry. So to remove these, you just gently peel them off from outer corner to inner corner. Incredibly easy to do. And the style that I use today is Ritzy. Then just to make sure that my natural lashes are blending in completely with these falsies, I use the tiniest bit of mascara. This is from Revlon. And what I do is I just kind of gently push my lashes up into the false lashes, and that's it. A little bit of extra highlight in the inner corners of the eyes because I totally forgot to do that. And finally, we're going to move on to the lips. I'm using this lip liner from Covergirl to line the outer rims of my lower lip and top lip. I used Caramel Nude lip liner. 2 Covergirl lipsticks. First one in the shade Champagne. You just want to apply this to the very outer corners of bottom lip and top lip. I seem to always do this with every lip look unless I'm doing a liquid lipstick. I just really like the 3D effect it gives to my lips. It makes it look like they're not, you know, so small. This lighter nude in 225 goes right in the center of top and bottom lip, and I just use my finger to kind of blot it out a bit, or blend it out. You can add on a gloss too if you like, which I did for this video. This is from Flower Beauty in Angelic, and that completes the entire look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!